Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to download WinRAR on Mac for free. So if you have to download a free version of WinRAR, just follow this video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open Google Chrome or any browser that you use. And here you can write WinRAR download for Mac. And here you can open WinRAR right away. But you can see that WinRAR is only available for the command line macOS. So what can we do? Well, we do have an option. We can go here and write Kika download for Mac. And here you can download this Kika for Mac OS. And once when you're here, you can download it either through the App Store or download it through right away. I'm going to click here and the download will begin shortly. So here you go, guys. You can see it is downloaded right here. So I'm going to click it and install it on my Mac. Here you go. It has been installed. So we are going to eject it and then I'm going to open the software right away. Here you go. Now I have installed it. Now what I'm going to do, let's just create a new folder right here. Let's just do one thing. Let's open this folder and here you go. I have compressed it and now I am going to decompress it just like this. So here you go. You can just compress and decompress folders and files using this new software called Kika that I've told you. So this is an alternate to WinRAR and download it and you'll be good to go. So if you found this video informative, I would appreciate if you like it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.